ازيكم. We will show you today how to this is medical analysis or exam. This medical exam or test have many parameters which I don't know. If you are not a doctor or a medical person, you cannot know what this. And so there's some parameters below the range and others over the range. So we need to know how to do how to read this report for knowing what we will do. So we'll show you now how to use AI like Grok or GPT or DeepSeek or any AI system. We will feed it with this image and we ask it for sending us the report. So we will start with take image on this picture. Camera. And then we'll go back to the system or the AI search engine, sorry, the AI engine, which is this one. Then we will tell right a report about the attached medical exam. Showing or focusing on the parameters which are below and above the range, the normal or the range, the normal range or the range, and then we will attach the we will attach it here, attach this from here, attach this one, and then attach picture. And now the camera. Not the camera, not I think camera, video or media picker, maybe. I think this one. After uploading the picture of this medical test, we will press on enter, so the AI of Grok will read the image and responds as this prompt, which will make a report. We can translate this report in Arabic or in other language, or if any of these parameters is not clear, we can ask it to clear it. Okay, and send. Now it's working. Uh-huh. I have all the things here. You can read it. All this. Parameters below range, normal range is HGB, measured 13.19, below the normal range اللي هو 14 16. This suggests a potential decrease in oxygen carrying capacity, which is my warrant further investigation. HCT is, this one is below, so this indicates a lower proportion of red blood cells. So mean hemoglobin measured at 26.1, below the normal range, and suggests lower hemoglobin content. So this is below. Parameters above, which is BLT, above the normal. This elevation may indicate potential which could be reactive or indicative of an underlying condition. I mean, you can ask it the AI for any something does not understand. The observation recommendation: further investigation into the low hemoglobin values is recommended to rule out anemia. Yeah, so there's something of anemia or other hematological conditions. The elevated platelet count and the mean platelet volume should be monitored with possible follow-up to determine the cause of so this item. So we can ask it what's the treatment. Additional clinical correlation and possibly a repeat test are advised to confirm these findings. So you can ask what are the treatment. بس